Hi everybody, welcome to Sunya IAS. I'm here to announce the mains batch Vajra for the people for 2026 and beyond. Now this Vajra batch aims to cater all the GS subjects, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 as well as the essay in the most comprehensive and structured format. Like its name Vajra, the course aims to be precise, give you clarity and gives you a lot of strength. I'll tell you how. Now, in this, the main USP will be you will have day-long classes. You will have 2 classes in a week. These will be day-long classes. So we cover the entire breadth of the subject in its detail and you get a lot of clarity here. What is to be done, right? Which portions, how to write. You will make summaries in the class itself. So the very first component in these Vajra classes, you will have 2 classes in a week, right? And it will be giving a very optimized way of completing the syllabus. Now, in this, all the GS subjects will be covered, but GS1, the history, this will be provided to you in the recorded format. So you can complete this at your own pace, at your own time. Here, the main USP also is that we cover the entire syllabus in a span of 2 months. Okay, so that gives you a substantial time to prepare other components as well. And of course, when you do these topics, you do the relevant value additions and enrichment, you gain a lot of confidence also, right? Now, the entire batch and the class is designed in a manner that you will revise the syllabus and topics here itself. For example, when you have day-long classes on polity, economy and other areas of the subjects, you will exactly know what to write, right? You'll be making those points, bullets and summaries in the class itself. Plus, in the classes itself, we will also be decoding the previous year questions, the important terms and the recent current affairs. So you would be updated on what is to be done, what is to be written, at least in a time bound manner. Then, like I've mentioned, we cover all the GS subjects, including essay. And this will be done in a very interactive manner in our day-long classes, which has been the USP of Sunya. So if you have had any other seniors or friends, you also can directly ask them the level of interaction, the level of involvement that we have in these classes. Okay. So if you have any query for the Vajra batch, which aims to be the one-stop solution for your mains preparation, you can reach out on this number. Okay. You can visit our office for the same if you have any query specifically for this Vajra batch. So again, the idea here is to give you clarity, strength and precision. And this we aim to do so in this batch. So hope I've been able to address all your queries. Looking forward to see you in the classes. Thank you so much.